Hey everybody, Parker here. Welcome to Truck Talk Tuesday, the show where I sit in my truck on Tuesdays, talk to you guys about real estate. So this week, we're going to be talking about lumber prices. And everybody has noticed that lumber prices are higher than Snoop Dogg at a Willie Nelson concert. The reason is why? Why have they gone up 400% in the last year? There's quite a few variables to it, and we're going to try and break this down as simple as possible. So if we go back the course of a year, the cost to build an average home in America was $36,000 less than it is now. And the question is kind of, why did all this happen? Well, number one, we can always blame the big cause of just about everything in America that has thrown us into a loop for the last 12 months, and that would be COVID. During COVID, there was a major production halt in terms of, lumber production and everything. So we're seeing these increases and inflation across the board due to COVID and shutdowns and things along those lines. Second, one of the big things that has happened, we've quantitative eased in billions and billions of dollars into our economy, which has devalued the dollar, which has raised prices of everything. You combine the fact with lack of supply with a less dollar, that means that prices are inevitably going to be going up. Third, due to the fact that there were less homes available, people weren't moving as much due to COVID and such, we had more people taking on home improvement and renovation products. These projects took money, or didn't take money, but they took lumber supply out of new construction because people were trying to expand their home or do different types of renovations during the COVID shutdown. While this shutdown was happening, we were seeing a withdrawal of stock while there was a lessened demand to the building production halts. So we reduced stock, we weren't producing, and then as the market has started to bounce back, we're starting to see a major lag time because these stocks have not been replenished due to the fact that there was that production shutdown. So we look at an increased build amount coming up because we're seeing a lot more new construction going in, combined with our essentially lack of building material stock due to plant shutdown and forestry shutdown due to COVID, plus home renovation and home expansion due to people not being able to go and purchase, or people with the inability to go and purchase due to COVID and lack of housing stock, resulted in kind of this perfect storm that has created extremely high lumber prices. And these aren't the only things that we're seeing inflationary rates on. We're seeing this in PVC, steel, lumber, concrete, etc. And also another big thing, since our gas prices are going up so dramatically, shipping as well as harvesting of lumber at this time is going to be directly impacted by increased gas production. So we're looking at all these different things, and at this point, until we can get our lumber production into a place where it's going to be actually stifling this growth rate, we're going to have a very hard time catching up. So we're going to have to see a lot more jobs going into the production sector in order to make this right. So if you're looking at purchasing a house, it might be a little bit better than building new at this point, because as the cost of new construction continues to increase, we're going to see the cost of existing homes increase at the same level. So if you have more questions about this, or you're looking to get into the market, let me know. As always, great time to sell. We do have low inventory still. So I'm Parker. I'm selling Central Oregon. I'm here to help you guys out. Phone number is 541-815-4136. Have yourself a great day. Stay blessed.